Hey loves, in today's video I'll be doing a 2-month takedown from a sew-in, and here's the oil that I'll be using. It has been 2 months and my hair has been in a sew-in, and like the last 2-3 weeks of the sew-in I just was like, I'm gonna braid my hair in 2 plaits and just do it that way because I was just feeling lazy, but it's way overdue. I had oiled my hair the night before and re-oiled it again in that last clip. I've just been doing a lot of hair oiling, but as you can see here with the new grow, my hair is dirty. I grabbed my pre-shampoo detangler and I drench my hair in this product because it's the only thing that can get my hair detangled smooth without losing any hair. I just don't recommend doing any other method or just detangling hair. This might be the best product on the market to do a good detangle, as you can see here. So when I tell you my hair turns into butter, no matter how dirty it is, I'll drench it and add water just to get it a little bit more softer and detangle it in that manner. But when I do this, my hair is easy to manage. Like, imagine a 2-month sew-in, how thick my hair looked before and how like sleek and buttery my hair is now. It's easy to comb from root to tip and it hasn't been washed. This pre-shampoo by African Pride is a must-have for your braids, plaits, whatever type of method you use when it comes to braiding or just detangling your hair right before washing it. You have to get it. A must-have. So the takedown would be my first con when it comes to a sew-in. Like, who wants to do the takedown? But like I said before, if you have the right products, after you do the takedown, your detangling process will be so smooth. The Mielle products I'm putting y'all on. Run, don't walk. When I tell you, you know when a product works when you have not washed your hair in 2 months and you wash your hair and it doesn't turn into a Brillo pad. My hair was so soft while washing and even softer while conditioning. So I took some time out, I double cleansed, and I did a massage. Then I went in with their conditioner, which is a 10 out of 10. Both shampoo, conditioner, and hair oil are 10 out of 10. So I went in with their conditioner after washing my hair. My hair was super soft just from the shampoo. And then when I went in with the conditioner, it was even more softer than before. As you can see here, I'm detangling my hair without any snags or catches, and just going in, making sure my hair is properly detangled and sectioning it off. Run, don't walk. You guys know I love Briogeo. That's one of my favorite products, but for the value of the Mielle, it's so worth it. You know your hair is clean with the peppermint and rosemary. It just stimulates your scalp. You can smell it. I'm just obsessed. And my hair wash day was like so good. I turned on that Beyonce. Another pro is turn on you some music, find your favorite playlist. This is on my face from that Cowboy Carter, and it'll help your wash day be a little bit smoother. With the leave-in conditioner, I'm sectioning off my hair and detangling it, and this process was so easy and smooth. And then I went in the next day after sleeping and letting all the product dry down. Went in with my heat protectant and blowed my hair out, because normally that's what I do, just so when I'm going to get my hair rebraided, it's just way more manageable. So of course I use a heat protectant and I do a great blow dry. The pro is just always use a heat protectant when blowing drying your hair if you don't forget to do so. And so once my hair was blow dried, the next day I had an appointment and got my hair braided down. And once it was braided down neatly, the girl did a great job. I did a bit of heat and red light therapy in the areas where I felt my hair needed it. And I oiled my scalp because I'm getting ready to do a sew-in. The pro is the hair oiling. I am in love with these products. I was using them prior to me doing this wash day. While I had the other sew-in, I was constantly oiling my scalp, And that's before I even went back and got the shampoo and conditioner. I bought the oil first, and when I tell you, I seen results so fast, like right away. And so it works. I normally just make my own oil with Jamaican black castor oil, rosemary, and olive oil, but this is just super convenient when I don't feel like doing that myself. 10 out of 10. I oil my hair, my daughter's hair, and a round of applause for the girl who braided my hair down. It came out really, really neat. I love a great, neat braid down. It was kind of tight in the back, but that's why I didn't put the sew in right away. I wanted it to loosen up and use the oil so it can get into those crevices so my hair can just like not get dried out from my hair being slightly tight. But she did a wonderful job, and I love the way my hair turned out. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a stocking cap just to infuse it with that oil, and so the oil doesn't get everywhere, but it'll be fused in the stocking cap. But I love the way my hair turned out, how she braided it, and my hair feels super clean. And these products get, again, another 10 out of 10 because for the value is just amazing. The results, how soft my hair was when I washed it, how extremely soft it was when it was time to detangling it after washing it, because we know how your hair can get a little coarse after washing. My hair didn't go through any of that. And then once I blow dry with the heat protectant, got my hair braided down, and I oiled my scalp. The girl offered to oil my scalp, but because I had my own oil at home, I didn't want any excess products in my hair, and so I oiled it myself. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.